Metro 57, Kyle. So inevitably, I'm in a business where we have clients that have jobs and they work on multifamily properties. They've got 300 tenants with 300 sets of problems, and inevitably it's my baby can't get a hot bath tonight. And we have boilers that break down in the middle of the night, or it's the middle of the winter and they can't get heat to the buildings, those type of things. What I've built my business around is I solve their problems, and I come at it with a sense of, one, I can't charge them an arm and a leg for their problems because otherwise they won't use me next time. But more importantly, I come at it with a sense of, I want to put them back to a world that they have a normal business, because these people are operations. They have rentals, they have tenants, they have to keep these people in some sort of happy, and my job is to make that go back to from broken to back to normal. Pothole in the middle of a driveway. You got 300 tenants coming home every day. That pothole is a cuss word on every one of those people's day. My job is to make that go away, and when I do, my customers call me repeatedly to make their bad days turn into good ones because I solve their problems. Hope that helps. Call me if I can be any help.